Kailangan makasama kayo. Kailangan makita nyo Nature's Way. Kailangan makita nyo America. Kailangan maramdaman nyo ano ba talaga ang feeling ng isang taong mayaman dito sa A Global. See you there.
Grabe, totoo na pala daw. Ma-LA!
Grabe, US na to. Tayo na susunod.
We're now boarding.
Stop the rock. Stop the rock. Stop the rock. Stop the rock. Can't stop the rock. You can't stop the rock.
Service namin dito sa LA. Ito yung pag-stayan overnight for 2 days dito sa LA. Grabe, totoo na to. US talaga, malamig na.
Can't stop the rock. You can't stop.
Grabe dito sa LA. Bellboy mo, Amerikano.
Grabe, mag-isa lang ako sa room. Dapat nandito ang papa ko. Nakakainis.
The rock. You can't stop the rock. You can't stop.
Yan ang kwarto ng Global Ambassador. Overlooking pa. Ang ganda ng view.
Shake my paranoia. Can't stop.
This is yummy, 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 yummy.
Power.
Good morning. Ito, bagong gising kami. Kaalis lang namin sa Pacific. What's that? Pacific Palms. Hotel namin.
What can you say, man?
Yeah, it's the best. The best car class.
Dancing like Madonna into the groove. Eh? Stop the rock, can't stop.
Yan ang service namin. At ito ang mga pasahero.
The rock, you can't stop. The rock, you can't stop. The rock, you can't stop. The rock, can't stop. The rock, you can't stop.
We're in Texas. Houston. Springville.
Ohio?
Hi, we're already here in Utah.
Yeah. Okay.
Say hi. Yeah.
Well, Nature's Way, one of the biggest company here in Utah. And as you can see, it has a very big, it's a very wide area.
Down and dirty, baby.
Grabe. Ito na totoo. Dapat makita niya to. Nature's Way talaga to. Wala pang snow, nanginginig na kami.
Oh, come on.
Grabe, this is a place. Grabe itong lugar na to. Yeah, up there.
Dito kami ngayon sa
Olympic.
Olympic Park. Utah Olympic Park. As you can see,
Relax naman. Grabe, hindi ko alain na ganito kalamig. Nanginginig ako. Ang gulo. Umusan ako ng English. Dumudugo ng aking malaking ilong.
Ay, ako. Sarap. Sarap dito sa US. Dapat kasama ka namin. Ginaw. Sarap sa snow.
Grabe dito sa Utah! Utah lumig! Saan na kayo?
San Francisco!
Well, this would be a long walk. I tell you, brothers,